actually came back around to say that you're really cute. I had to come back. I had to come back around to tell you that you look really cute. And I was riding over there. I just had to tell you that. What is your name?
Emily.
Emily, I'm Dale. Nice to meet you. So, do you work here all day? How old are you, by the way? 25? You look really young. May I ask you 3 questions? I already asked you what is your name. I was wondering if you are single. And the third question is, would you like to go on a date sometime with me?